Subscribe.
Awesomer kids! I hope you're ready for some really awesome surprises because me and the magic microwave are about to blow you away.
Let the show begin.
Here I have an empty blue egg. Nothing too fun or special about this. It's just an empty egg. But wait till I put it in the magic microwave. Cross your fingers that it works, everyone.
Come on, magic microwave. Give me something good.
Oh, what? You all saw that, right? Our egg transformed into a new Paw Patrol surprise egg. Look at how cute Rubble, Chase, and Marshall look on the front.
Hello, puppies.
It seems pretty heavy. Let's see what's in it. Wow, look at all that stuff! Here we have some stickers. That sticker of Sky is just too darn cute. Here's a list of some of the surprise toys we can get.
See anything you like?
Yum! Here's some jelly bean candies. Ooh, look at all the pink ones.
I love the pink ones.
Let's try one. Mmm, tasty. It's strawberry flavor. And here's our surprise toy. It looks like it's a little booklet with Chase on it.
It's so cute.
And it has all of these pages so you can write and draw on.
You can write a tiny little book for ants.
All right, that was a great first egg. Time to see what happens when we put this yellow one in. Again, this is just a plain old empty egg.
Boring.
Hopefully the magic microwave can turn it into something way more fun. Yep, check it out.
Is that Peppa Pig I see in there?
I've never had a Peppa Pig surprise egg. I can't wait to see what's inside. Let's crack this baby open and see. Here's everything we could get. Ooh, more stickers. Looks like the little piggies are having some fun in the mud. Oh, and we get another pack of candy. And here's the toy it comes with. This picture spins around. Whoa, it's getting me a little bit dizzy staring at it.
Blah! Shake it off.
Let's do another egg. This time we have a pink egg. But again, it's empty. Nothing too special about this egg. Let's cook this pink egg and see what happens. Into the microwave it goes. Since it's a pink egg, I'm thinking maybe we'll get a My Little Pony egg?
I hope so. Nope, I was wrong, but I am pleasantly surprised.
It's a frozen surprise egg. The front of it has Olaf, Anna, and Elsa. But what's inside the egg?
Ooh! Ah, look at all this stuff!
Here's the options we can get. Here are some more stickers. We have Sven, Kristoff, Elsa, Anna, and Olaf. And yep, you guessed it, even more candy.
I'm gonna be bouncing off the walls after all this candy.
And finally, here's our surprise toy. How cool is this Olaf comb?
Maybe I'll use it to comb the 3 twigs on his head.
But for real, this comb would be perfect for your dolls.
On to the next egg.
This time we have an orange egg. And yep, unfortunately, it's empty again. Magic microwave, help me! Any guesses as to what this might turn into?
Orange. What would orange turn into?
Whoa! It's a Star Wars egg!
I was not expecting that, but I'm totally stoked on it.
On the front we have a stormtrooper.
He looks pretty intense.
I can't wait to see what's inside. Here's the options. Ooh, that keychain looks pretty cool. And here we have some Star Wars stickers. There's C-3PO and R2-D2. And yep, more candy.
Candy.
Wow, I'm digging this surprise toy. It's another mini notebook. But this time it has Darth Vader on the front, and he's trying to get us to join the dark side.
Dun. I mean, maybe the dark side could be fun. Should I? No. Light all the way, everyone.
Whew, that was close. I was getting pulled to the dark side. Okay, moving on. Here's another yellow egg. But once again, we come up empty.
Who picked these eggs?
Let's just cook it in the microwave and see what happens. Yes! Another Peppa Pig surprise egg! But hopefully we get a different toy.
Come on, different toy.
Let's check out the list again. We got this toy last time. In here we have more stickers. Yes! We got a different sticker pack.
They're still playing in the mud, though. Silly piggies.
And of course we have more candy.
Candy. I love candy. Candy.
Alright, maybe I should cool on the candy. Ah, yes! We got a Peppa Pig comb. Now we have a frozen pink comb and a yellow Peppa Pig comb. Woohoo! We're back with the blue egg. Unfortunately, it's empty, just like the other one. But with the help of our magic microwave, we'll be able to turn our sad egg into something fun. Yay! Another Paw Patrol egg! It has the same cute pups on the front, but hopefully it has something different on the inside.
What toy could be inside? I guess there's only one way to find out.
Here's a list of options. Last time we got the Chase notebook.
Where is that notebook? Oh, there it is.
Cool, we got different stickers. But by now you guessed it, we got the same candy.
I promised myself I wouldn't have any more.
What's this black thing? Oh, hey, Rubble! Oh, cool, it's a magnet. I'm gonna stick this on my refrigerator. For our next egg, we have this very light, very empty orange egg. The last time we had an orange egg, it turned into an awesome Star Wars egg.
I hope it happens again. Come on, Star Wars, Star Wars, Star Wars. Cross your fingers, everyone.
And it did! I knew this magic microwave wouldn't let me down.
It still has the same serious-looking stormtrooper on the front. Don't mess with him.
Here's the list of options again. We got a notebook last time. Ooh, our sticker pack this time has Han Solo on it. He's one of my favorite characters. Which one's yours? Of course, another pack of candies. And I recognize that black square. It means we got another magnet. This one has C-3PO on it. It's going straight to the refrigerator next to my Paw Patrol magnet. Oh man, this is our last egg! It's another pink one. And if it's anything like the first pink one we had, it's gonna turn into a, drum roll please, a frozen egg! We haven't gotten any duplicate toys yet, so hopefully our luck continues. Let's crack it open. This time I'll try to open it with one hand.
Oh yeah, skills!
Here's our list of options. Last time we got an Olaf comb. Oh man, we got the same stickers.
Boo! Womp womp.
And we got the same candy. Of course, no surprise there. What? We got another pink comb. But I guess it's okay because this time there's Elsa and Anna on it instead of Olaf.
I'll take it.
Well, this was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!